But by Monday, we're talking wind gusts between 30 to 35. And that's all thanks to, again, that area of low pressure right now in the Caribbean that will move into the Atlantic and possibly right towards east central Florida by Wednesday and Thursday. So here are your weather headlines. I know if you're waking up and it's 7:20 in the morning, maybe getting ready for morning services, you got some plans for your Sunday, a few spotty showers in the forecast, kind of like yesterday, a little more rain possibly, up to about a 30% chance. Yesterday was about 20. The one thing I don't want you to head out to go do is go on the beach or go in the boat, because hazards are going to be already are in place today and will continue to worsen throughout the next few days. We have high surf advisories, high risk of rip currents, small craft advisories. Pretty much every advisory you can have, we've got them right now along our coastline. And that's all thanks to, again, that area of low pressure that could be bringing us more squally weather. We're talking kind of those tropical wind gusts, tropical downpours in the forecast starting Wednesday and into Thursday. So what is the area? This is it right here, making its way now into the Atlantic. The latest update now bringing it just north of Puerto Rico, has a 90% chance of development in the next 5. Pretty much we'll get a name as early as tomorrow. So what can we expect? First off, the coast will see the worst of it, as of course when you start talking about a possible landfalling system, we talk about beach erosion, coastal flooding, especially at high tides. Those breaking waves, this is for today. We could see those numbers go up even higher as that system approaches the coast, along with small craft advisory, rough seas, near shore waters, possibly up to 9 to 10 foot seas there by Tuesday and Wednesday. Further inland for areas basically west of 95, heavy rain will start to be more of an issue as we head more into your Tuesday night. Wednesday morning, it's going to be more of a Wednesday-Thursday play. Gusty winds, those are going to be the 2 highest concerns for us across central Florida. And although I know you might say it's a tropical storm, no big deal, we still have to remember there's still a lot of communities that are still dealing with flooding issues post-Hurricane Ian. Our beaches have been battered from Hurricane Ian as well. Beach erosion is still a big issue there.